Inner Circle Trader, aka ICT, the most popular forex teacher on the internet. Thousands of people swear by his teachings. But is his system actually profitable? Does he actually have an edge? To find this out, we did 100 trades backtest on bar replay to see whether or not ICT's teachings offer an edge. And the results were truly eye-opening. Welcome to BacktestBull. Our goal is to help retail traders get an edge in the market. Before we begin, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button for future videos. ICT teaches many styles. However, we went for one style that has zero discretion to get a fair and more accurate backtest that is possible and what we think is achievable during live trading. So, here are the rules we followed. The system has almost zero discretion, therefore you should be able to easily spot trades and instantly know whether or not it is a trade you should take or shouldn't take. Now, here are the rules we look for. Firstly, 15-minute liquidity to be taken, which is, here's the types: trendline liquidity, equal highs and lows, and Asian session highs/lows. We only trade during London session and we aim for at least 3 RR. So here you can see we've marked out session high, session low, which is two liquidity types, and also this relatively equal high that gets taken and forms our liquidity grab, which is step 1. Now we're on the 5-minute, but we saw it get taken on the 15. Then we look for a market structure shift or break of structure on the 5-minute, which this indicator here, fractal break imbalance, here you can put it on your chart. These green dotted lines signal the breaks of structure. And then we enter on a 3-minute, a 2-minute, or a 1-minute FVG, which this FVG by the King Nephew Sam highlights your FVGs automatically. So instead of entering here on the 5-minute, we look for one on the 2-minute. So now I'm going to walk you through an example before we take the full 100 trades and then get the results. So let's get into this live example. So here you can see liquidity was taken. Now we zoom past. Over there, the dotted line was passed. We use wicks because price is not candles, price is a line. We just view it as candles to make it easier to understand. So this we count as a break. We drop down to the 2-minute and look for these FVGs to enter off. So for instance, over here we'd place our position, stop loss above the high of the liquidity that was taken, and we aim for 3 RR, right? And then let's just zoom past this and see, does it hit TP? And you'll see, yes, it does. Now we're going to go through, do 100 trades. We're only going to fast forward through the next trade that comes because you guys aren't here to have your time wasted. So yeah, we've done most of the other pairs, so now we're gonna fast forward and go from there. Okay, as you can see, this second trade has also hit TP. Alright, I've finished the back testing. So here's the pairs we used. Feel free to pause the video to go through. And as you can see, all winning trades have the lock and all losing trades don't have the lock. Now we're going to use our tool that we've developed for traders who use TradingView to backtest to get the results of our backtest. So Now we're going to show you the steps. It's as simple as click on manage layouts, enable chart sharing, make sure all winning trades have the lock, all losing trades don't. Go to your trading view chart URL, which you can see here. Make sure you use the website and not the desktop app to backtest. Click to copy this part after chart slash. Go over to backtestbull.com, link in the description. Click on add finish backtest. Paste your chart link. If you've done it correctly, the drop down here will appear. Click all if you'd like to get the backtesting data from all the charts, and you can pick one if you'd like to get it from only one. This will organize it in chronological order that they occurred to give you a more realistic sense of your backtest. Give it a name, ICT FVG 100 trades, and just simply click get backtest. Voila, and here you have the results. The question we asked ourselves at the start of the video is ICT's teachings profitable, and do they offer an edge? In short, yes. This strategy is really high performing, and over 114 trades, which is a very good sample set the past few weeks that TradingView did let me go through on the pairs I had mentioned to get the 100 trades. This is the result overall. We had a strike rate of 51.7%, which is really good considering average RR was 3. At least 3 R was the goal. We had 59 wins, 55 losses, a total risk reward gain of 122.7. The initial balance on BacktestBull is 1%, $100,000. The initial risk is 1%. So this 222,000 final balance means that if you started with $100,000 and took 100 trades, you could possibly look at $222,000 at the end. Max drawdown was $5,000. It comes out to be 5%. What BacktestBull does when you select all, as in you want all the trades from all the charts like we did, it will put them in chronological order and tell you how many wins in a row and how many losses in a row came across all the pairs. In this case, even though we were trading over 5 pairs, we only got 4 maximum consecutive losses in a row and 5 maximum consecutive wins, which means you can risk in the realm of about 0.75% if you would like to do a funding challenge. Profit factor is 2. Now, when you want to become a funded trader in general, you should look for strategies that profit factor is 2 or above. That's a sufficient edge. However, this is not financial advice. In conclusion, this strategy is really high performing. Although do your own research and go and check if it works for yourself. This is definitely market beating. We don't pick sides whether you like ICT or not. We just did a backtest and got the results. If you'd like to use backtestbull.com, link in the description, feel free to sign up and give it a try.